Welcome to Learn Dentistry. Today, the topic of discussion is stages of tooth development. As discussed in the previous video, tooth development has three stages, that is, the bud stage, cap stage, and the bell stage. Again, the bell stage is classified into early bell stage and advanced bell stage. Development of the tooth begins at the oral epithelium. The epithelial cells of the oral epithelium constitutes the primary epithelial band, and it is surrounded by ectomesenchymal cells, or simply the ectomesenchyme. The primary epithelial band proliferates to form the dental lamina, and at certain regions the cells form localized thickenings called as the dental plug coats. This dental plug coat is considered to be the future tooth bud or the developing tooth bud. The proliferation of both the dental lamina and the dental plug coats results in an invagination into the ectomesenchyme. And as a result of it, the cells of the ectomesenchyme get closely packed and they get condensed. So they are called as the condensed ectomesenchyme, and the invagination is known as the tooth bud. The key feature in the bud stage is the condensed ectomesenchyme. As the tooth bud grows larger, the epithelial outgrowth superficially resembles a cap sitting on a ball of condensed ectomesenchyme, which is called as the dental organ or enamel organ, because it eventually forms the enamel of the tooth. Because the enamel organ sits on the ball of condensed ectomesenchyme like a cap, it is called as the cap stage. The ball of condensed ectomesenchymal cells is called as the dental papilla, from which the dentin and pulp are formed. The condensed ectomesenchyme supporting the dental papilla and enamel organ is known as the dental follicle or dental sac, which give rise to the supporting tissues of the tooth, that is the PDL, cementum and alveolar bone. Enamel organ, dental papilla and the dental follicle together constitutes the tooth germ. The next stage of tooth development is characterized by the separation of oral epithelium by lateral lamina from the tooth germ. During this stage, the crown of the tooth assumes its final shape, that is the morphodifferentiation, and the cells that makes the enamel and dentin of the crown get histologically differentiated. This is the early bell stage. Because the enamel organ comes to resemble as a bell, it is called as the bell stage. In advanced bell stage, there is complete separation of the oral epithelium from the tooth, and the hard and soft tissues of the tooth like enamel, dentin and pulp has been laid down, finally forming the crown of the tooth.